Hi guys, this is the warm up, a dynamic warm up which I want you to do with Aryan, who is going to demonstrate before the trainer calls you for your workout. You have to be ready with this. Okay, this most of the exercises for 30 seconds and few of the exercises for 15 seconds. Okay, do it at your own levels. Okay, Aryan, everything is we're going to do it for 30 seconds, starting with alternate high knee kicks. Go. So continue with Aryan. So lift your leg up as much as you can, okay? Don't force it too high. Keep on lifting it up as much as you can. If you want to, if it's too much for you, you can also do low kicks or go as high as Aryan is doing. Okay? Everything is for 30 seconds. Keep going, Aryan. Lift it slowly higher and higher if you can. Okay, Aryan, alternate toe touches with one leg going behind. Yes, that's it. Going down. Make sure you're bending the knees slightly. Yeah? Slightly, yes. You're stretching your hamstring dynamically. Yes. Keep going, Aryan. Very good. This also is for 30 seconds. Lift your leg up behind you as much as possible. Okay, Aryan? Very good. And getting ready, Aryan. Knee tucks. Knee tucks with toe raises. Very good. Take it up towards the chest. Try not to lean forward, okay? Take it up high. That's it. Take it in towards you. Towards you. Pull it in. Yes. Pull it in. Pull it in. Pull it in. Very good. Go up high on the toe. So you're also warming up your calf. Up high. Up high. That's it. Take it in. Towards you. Towards you. Stay slightly behind. Okay, Aryan, alternate hip turn to the side. Very good. Keep your legs out wide. So you're opening up your hip gently. Okay, warming up the hip area. Very good. Keep going, keep going. Put it down wide. Wide. Do it at your own pace, guys. You don't have to do it as fast as Aryan is doing. But if you feel like it, just follow the way he is doing, the same pace. Alternate reverse lunge with torso twist. Yes, that's it. So, twisting the same side as the leg which is forward. Very good. Keep twisting. Look at the back. At your own pace. If you have a back problem, make sure you are aware of this. Okay, do not force it too much. Do as much as only you can. Twist it. Sit. Very good. Okay, Aryan standing straight, torso twist from below all the way up. So do it slowly. Do it slowly, yes. Keep going, slowly rising up. Slowly rising up more and more and more. Keep going. Up. Put the hands up, Aryan. Remember, if you got a back problem, then don't do the hands so high up. Coming forward again. Going down, Aryan. Slowly going down. Yes. Going around. Very good. Now good, arms across, straight arms across and behind. Very, that's it. Now make sure you alternate your hands, which is in front of you, and let it go behind as much as possible, okay? If it crosses behind you slowly, that's also okay. Don't force it though. Cross your hands as much as possible, Aryan. That's it. That's it. There you go. Now after this, keep going, Aryan. After this, everything is for 15 seconds, okay? Okay, arm circle clockwise, slowly, small circle, and then slowly going bigger and bigger and bigger, 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 very good, let it go across, yes, and the other way around, anti-clockwise, small circle, and slightly bigger, 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 open it, open it, open it, open it, yes, take it easy, very good, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, jog on the spot, butt kick. Ankle towards the bum. Very good. Move your hands also. Yes, yes. Ankle towards the bum. Ankle towards the bum. That's it. Now, same place. High knee, high knee, high knee. Jogging without stopping. Without stopping. Move your hands. Move your hands. Very good. High knee. And now Jumping jack, go. 15 seconds. If you cannot jump, do it at a low pace, okay? You can also do squats over here. Or you can walk up and down. And let's go burpees, 15 seconds. Over here, guys, those of you who got knee problem or back problem, just do normal squats, okay? Rest of you, go all the way down and up. Jump as high as you are and pick your hands up also. Yes. Well done. That's it. 5 minutes done. That's it. Guys, see, 5 minutes, your heart rate is up, you're ready for the workout, okay? This is the way to go. We're at the farm. Aaron has just stepped in to do the warm-up for you guys because, you know, for the next 2 weeks, we are doing virtual, okay? All the best.